Unlock a steady stream of income by tapping into the power of the Temu affiliate program. This tutorial will guide you through turning your online presence into a revenue-generating platform, all by showcasing the amazing deals on Temu. First things first, head over to the Temu website and locate the affiliate program section. This is where your journey begins. Signing up is straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and where you plan to promote Temu. Think about your social media platforms, your blog, or even a dedicated YouTube channel. Once approved, you'll get your unique referral link. This is your golden ticket to earning commissions. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to share this link strategically. Every new user who clicks your link and makes a qualifying purchase translates directly into commission for you. It's that simple. The key to maximizing your earnings is promoting products you genuinely love and believe in. Create engaging content, why you're think unboxing videos, product reviews, haul videos, or even curated gift guides. Leverage your creativity across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Pinterest. The more eyes on your content, the more clicks your referral link will receive. Focus on authentic recommendations. Talk about the quality, the affordability, and the sheer variety Temu offers. Build trust with your audience, and they'll be more inclined to explore the deals through your link. So, start creating, start sharing, and start earning with the Temu affiliate program. Your audience is looking for great deals, and you're the perfect person to show them where to find them.